Hey, so another video here. It's been a few years using the mouthwash. Honestly, still a great product, and I have lost some teeth, unfortunately, that were beyond saving, but the mouthwash enabled me to keep them in my head for about, a couple more years than they would have been, and honestly, I wouldn't have gotten as far as I have without it. I mean, I'd have lost all my teeth. I really would have, but you can see I do have a couple missing. Unfortunately, extenuating circumstances, and yeah, couldn't be helped. And if an infection develops in a few days, I mean, it did stave it off for longer than it should have been staved off, so that was awesome. But if it eats through a tooth in a few days, what do you do? But yeah, so anyhow, the mouthwash still works great. I still have pretty much all my teeth, considering I've only lost like 4, maybe 5 out of all of this, and that was after a very bad experience with a very underqualified orthodontist. Or not orthodontist, sorry, oral surgeon. Duh. Don't mind my brain, just lack of sleep. But yeah, so still an awesome product.